Picture this, you're on a rugged mountain trail, the sun is setting, and the only sound you hear is the steady hum of your engine as it effortlessly climbs over rocks and through mud. This isn't just any truck, this is the Toyota Tacoma, a mid-size pickup that's as tough as it is versatile, as reliable as it is adventurous. If trucks had a personality, the Tacoma would be the fearless explorer who's always ready for the next challenge, no matter how rough the terrain. The Toyota Tacoma isn't just a truck, it's a legend. It's for those who live for the thrill of the outdoors, who need a vehicle that can handle anything life throws at it, and who value reliability above all else. Since its debut in 1995, the Tacoma has been a favorite among adventurers, off-road enthusiasts, and everyday drivers alike. But what makes this truck so special? Let's take a closer look. First, let's bust some myths. Myth number 1. Mid-size trucks can't compete with full-size trucks. Wrong. The Tacoma proves that you don't need a massive vehicle to get the job done. With its powerful engine options, impressive towing capacity, and rugged off-road capabilities, the Tacoma holds its own against larger trucks. Myth number 2. Trucks are only for work, not for fun. Think again. The Tacoma is as much about adventure as it is about utility. Whether you're hauling gear to a job site or exploring remote trails, this truck is designed to make every journey an adventure. And myth number 3, trucks are gas guzzlers. Not the Tacoma. With its efficient engine options and available hybrid powertrain, it's a truck that's as practical as it is powerful. Now, let's talk about some amazing facts that will make you fall in love with the Tacoma even more. Did you know that the Tacoma is one of the most durable trucks on the market? It's built with a high-strength steel frame and a reinforced body structure, making it capable of withstanding the toughest conditions. And here's another jaw-dropping fact. The Tacoma's TRD Pro model comes with Fox internal bypass shocks, a multi-terrain select system, and a crawl control feature that makes off-roading feel like a walk in the park. It's not just a truck, it's an off-road beast. But the Tacoma isn't just about toughness, it's also about versatility. Whether you're using it for work or play, this truck has you covered. The Tacoma offers a range of configurations, from the compact access cab to the spacious double cab, and from the short bed to the long bed. It's a truck that adapts to your needs, no matter what they are. And let's not forget the towing package, which gives the Tacoma a towing capacity of up to 6,800 pounds. That's enough to haul a boat, a trailer, or even a small camper. It's a truck that's ready for anything. Think about the last time you needed a vehicle that could do it all. The Tacoma is here to answer that call. With its comfortable interior, advanced technology, and rugged exterior, it's a truck that's as at home on the highway as it is on the trail. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or heading out on a weekend adventure, the Tacoma makes every drive feel effortless. Now, let's talk about performance, because the Tacoma isn't just about looking good and being tough, it's about delivering a driving experience that's as thrilling as it is reliable. The Tacoma offers a range of engine options, from the efficient 2.7-liter four-cylinder engine to the powerful 3.5-liter V6, which delivers 278 horsepower and 265 pound-feet of torque. And for those who want the best of both worlds, there's the hybrid powertrain, which combines a V6 engine with an electric motor for improved fuel efficiency and performance. It's a truck that proves you don't have to choose between power and practicality, you can have both. But what really sets the Tacoma apart is its commitment to reliability. Toyota has a reputation for building vehicles that last, and the Tacoma is no exception. It's a truck that's designed to go the distance, whether you're driving it for 100,000 miles or 300,000 miles. And with Toyota's legendary resale value, the Tacoma is an investment that pays off in the long run. It's not just a truck, it's a partner for life. So, what does the Toyota Tacoma mean for you? It's a reminder that you don't have to compromise. You can have toughness and versatility, performance and reliability, adventure and practicality. It's a call to embrace a lifestyle that's as bold and adventurous as you are. It's a truck that doesn't just take you places, it takes you on a journey. But before you hit the road, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll join a community of truck enthusiasts who appreciate the art of engineering, the thrill of adventure, and the beauty of rugged design. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the world's most iconic vehicles, and be the first to know about the latest advancements in automotive technology. The road ahead is full of possibilities, don't miss out. The Toyota Tacoma isn't just a truck, it's a way of life. A way of life that says you're ready for anything, that you value reliability and adventure, and that you're not afraid to take the road less traveled. So, are you ready to experience the thrill of the Tacoma? Because this isn't just a truck, it's a lifestyle. Subscribe now, and let's explore the road ahead, together.